USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find these links. So it says swing trading and automation. So if you want to grow your money 135% I guess in 5 years, then go and get this robot and let your money work peacefully. And then if you want to talk to me, you can book one-to-one consultation, you can get the brokers, and you can obviously join free Telegram. Subscribe, like, and share. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, if you are into trading, then you know we are going up. Daily is above the EMA with the rejection. 4-hour is again above the EMA. Look for look for longs in USDCAD. That's all I have to say. When to enter, when to exit, not my problem. You pay me nothing, right? So longs, that's it. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, be thankful for what you see for free.